So if your PS5 is getting the PS5 is too hot error message and then it just shuts off, the problem is most likely caused by overheating, which can be caused by various different factors, from dust buildup in the heatsink or the power supply to possibly a defective fan, and in most cases it's caused by spillage or oxidization of the liquid metal on the APU chip. Before we start, please go ahead and drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. The PS5 we're going to be working on today is a disc edition launch system. I'm going to pull up on this piece and it should just come out. And now we should be able to lift out the fan. Now if your PS5 is overheating, you want to check this fan to make sure that it spins. And it should spin freely as demonstrated here. This is a Delta model fan and can be purchased at fasttechstore.com if yours is broken. But before ordering a new fan, make sure that it's not dirty, because a dirty fan will often get seized. So if it is dirty, clean it out using a brush. Lots of times dust gets built up in this heatsink, and when that happens, your system does not have airflow, and then the system's going to overheat. So use a brush like the one in our FastTech Pro toolkit and knock out any dust that's stuck in that heatsink. You'd also want to try to clean out the power supply from here, which is known to catch dust. This is what the power supply looks like, and this is the angle that you'll be seeing. You can use a brush to clean it out or use a compressed air can, but to give it a full clean you will need to take it out of the system, which requires removing the motherboard. Once you've got the motherboard free, you'll have access to the APU chip and the liquid metal on top of it. PS5s are known to have liquid metal related issues where the liquid metal would either spill over or oxidize, as seen here. That circular spot that you see is due to oxidization. We can remedy this by using some thermal grizzly conductanate purchased from fasttechstore.com. And we want to apply a very small amount. Liquid metal is not like regular thermal paste. You only need a very small amount, and if you end up using too much, use the tube to pull it back in, as shown here. Now we're going to use this applicator that's included when you purchase this at fasttechstore.com, and we're going to spread the liquid metal around. This is what the surface of your APU should look like. As you can see here, there's no more oxidization, and the entirety of the APU chip is covered in liquid metal. We want to do the same thing on the heatsink. Make sure there's no oxidization spot, and if there is, put some liquid metal on it and use the Q-tip looking like applicator to spread it around. This game was previously struggling on this console because it was overheating, but this time around, even after hours of testing, it seems to be working good.